Amidst lush green fields and dense underbrush lies a hidden world waiting to be discovered: abandoned car yards. Shrouded in layers of dust and moss, these places are like relics of the past, quietly resting in the stillness of time. In this video, we will venture into these car graveyards together, where old vehicles still bear the marks of untold stories and dreams that once traveled on vast roads. If the Volkswagen Golf 1 Memca 1 is regularly maintained and well-preserved over 9 years, it can still run and drive stably. However, the car's mechanical condition, aging, and frequent maintenance will significantly affect this capability. Although no longer as popular as before, the Golf 1 Memca 1 still brings joy to its users and is worth owning. To maintain performance and avoid major issues on the road, regular maintenance is very important. In a collection of classic cars from Desert Storage, we have discovered an incredible treasure trove with over 300 classic cars. These vehicles are not just means of transportation, but are also works of art rich in historical significance. Among them, standout models include classic-style sports cars with elegant designs and exceptional power, capturing the attention of many car enthusiasts. These cars were found in a storage facility in Texas where time seems to have stood still, preserving their beauty and value over decades. Each car carries its own story, from long journeys on legendary roads to memorable moments of former owners. This discovery not only revives memories of the past, but also opens up opportunities for classic car enthusiasts to own and restore these masterpieces. The Old Timer Sensation event is an impressive classic car exhibition featuring million-dollar cars from prestigious brands such as Rolls-Royce, Porsche, Mercedes, and Austin. At the exhibition, visitors have the chance to admire rare models like the Rolls-Royce Phantom, known for its luxury and elegance, or the Porsche 911, a symbol of performance and sportiness. Mercedes-Benz showcases legendary models like the 300 SL Gullwing with its unique gullwing doors. Austin, with cars such as the Austin Healey, evokes nostalgia for the golden years of the automotive industry. In addition to admiring the cars, the event also hosts workshops where industry experts share knowledge about classic car maintenance and restoration, as well as new trends in classic car collecting. An abandoned car lot with 20,000 vehicles is one of the most bizarre and fascinating places you can explore. Here, cars from the 60s and 70s, ranging from domestic models to imports, lie forgotten. You can find all kinds of cars, from Fords and Chevys to hot rods, Toyotas and Hondas, each with its own story. These vehicles are not just means of transportation, but symbols of a bygone era, evoking memories and journeys they have undertaken. The scene of the abandoned car lot evokes a sense of mystery and allure. Each car bears the marks of time, with rust and dust covering them, creating a nostalgic beauty. The legendary Hudson Classic Car Yard in Forest City, NC, is a captivating destination for classic car enthusiasts and those passionate about exploring the history of the automotive industry. Here, visitors can admire a wide range of vintage cars from many decades past, each with its own story and showcasing the refined design of its era. The yard is not just a display of unique car models, but also a treasure trove of rare parts and components, attracting both repair professionals and collectors. The atmosphere is filled with nostalgia, allowing anyone who visits to feel the passion and love for classic cars. In addition to sightseeing, visitors have the opportunity to learn about the history of each model and participate in the interesting events and activities that are regularly held at the yard. After 4 years of inactivity, starting a Volkswagen Golf 2 can present some challenges, but it's also an exciting endeavor. First, before attempting to start the car, you need to perform some crucial checks. Begin by inspecting the battery. After such a long period of disuse, the battery may be discharged or damaged. If necessary, recharge or replace the battery. Next, check the engine oil and fuel levels. The engine oil may have oxidized and lost its lubricating properties, so you should change it if needed. As for the fuel, it may have degraded over time and should be replaced. Once everything is ready, try starting the engine. If the car starts successfully, you'll experience the distinctive sound of the Volkswagen engine, which can bring a sense of thrill and excitement. The classic car junkyard, where time seems to have stood still for over 40 years, is a fascinating destination for history enthusiasts and car lovers. Here, cars like the Memcac 2 Cavalier, BMW E30, and Range Rover have been forgotten, covered in dust and moss, creating a scene that is both nostalgic and mysterious. Each car carries its own story, from past journeys to the reasons they were left behind. The surroundings are enveloped by nature, with lush vegetation thriving, forming a harmonious picture between humanity and the environment. Exploring this junkyard is not just a journey back in time, but also an experience that reveals the raw beauty and neglect of once renowned vehicles. This is truly an ideal place for those who want to learn about the cultural heritage of the automotive industry and feel the wonder of time. The abandoned car yard in Finland is a captivating sight for urban explorers. Here you'll find an array of old cars and buses covered in moss and dust, creating a scene that is both nostalgic and mysterious. These vehicles, once the means of transportation for many generations, now lie still, telling the story of time. This space not only attracts photography enthusiasts, but also serves as an ideal destination for those interested in exploring the history and culture of transportation in Finland. The Checker taxi has been part of the junkyard for decades, becoming a piece of the past. With its distinctive design and durability, the Checker Marathon was known as an icon of the American taxi industry. Produced for over 2 decades, this car not only withstood harsh conditions, but also left a mark on the public's memory. Now, seeing the 1939 Art Deco-style sedan evokes nostalgia for a bygone era when Checker taxis were celebrated for their reliability and style. Exploring an old car yard in Pennsylvania is a journey full of excitement and surprises. As I stepped into the area, I was captivated by the nostalgic atmosphere and the old vehicles, each with its own unique story. The cars, trucks, and motorcycles are scattered around, covered in dirt and moss, yet still retaining the distinctive charm of the era when they once roamed the roads. Walking among the rows of vehicles, I couldn't help but feel the tranquility and peace of the place, as if time had stopped here. Some vehicles are heavily damaged, while others remain intact, as if waiting for a new owner. I also discovered many valuable car parts, which could be a treasure for those passionate about restoring and repairing classic cars. The 1947 Chevrolet 5.5-ton truck owned by Andrea is a standout classic vehicle with a durable and robust design. Produced in 1947, this model is renowned not only for its reliable cargo-carrying capability, but also for its distinctive design style from that era. With a powerful engine and a spacious cargo area, this truck has become an ideal choice for classic car enthusiasts and collectors. The combination of functionality and vintage charm has helped this vehicle establish its place in automotive history. The 1947 Chevrolet 5.5-ton truck owned by Andrea is a standout classic vehicle with a durable and robust design. Produced in 1947, this model is renowned not only for its reliable cargo-carrying capability, but also for its distinctive design style from that era. With a powerful engine and a spacious cargo area, this truck has become an ideal choice for classic car enthusiasts and collectors. The combination of functionality and vintage charm has helped this vehicle establish its place in automotive history. We had an exhilarating exploration at the car junkyard, where hidden gems await discovery. This junkyard is not merely a place for old cars, but a treasure trove of legendary vehicles that once captivated hearts. From classic Dodges with their robust design and exceptional features, to Chevy models embodying American style, each car has its own story to tell. As we rummaged through rows of forgotten vehicles, the thrill surged when we uncovered rare finds, mechanical masterpieces dusted by time and neglect. These cars are not just modes of transportation, but symbols of a glorious era in the automotive industry. Abandoned car yards, with their mysterious and nostalgic beauty, are not just places that hold the memories of the past, but also serve as endless inspiration for the present. As we leave these steel and iron forests behind, we carry with us stories, dreams, and a deep respect for what once was. May every visit to these forgotten places reveal something precious and beautiful amidst the seemingly lost landscapes.